Hello everyone, welcome to my video essay on the usability and accessibility of Google Docs. Today I will evaluate how Google Docs adheres to key usability and accessibility principles based on established guidelines. We'll explore two usability principles from Schneiderman's 8 Golden Rules and two accessibility principles for the WCAG 2.1 standards. By the end, you'll get insights into what Google Docs does well and where improvements can be made. Before diving into our analysis, let's briefly discuss what Google Doc is. Google Doc is a cloud-based word processor that allows users to create, edit, and collaborate in real time. It's part of Google Workspace, along with Google Sheets and Google Slides. Millions of users, including students, professionals, and teams, rely on Google Docs for seamless document editing. The interface is simple yet powerful, making it an excellent case study for usability and accessibility. So, what will we cover in this video? First, we'll analyze two usability principles, consistency and enroll provision. Then we'll examine two accessibility principles, keyboard accessibility, and text contrast. Throughout this presentation, I'll provide examples to highlight how Google Docs implements or links these principles. Let's start with our first usability principle, consistency. According to Schneiderman's 8 Golden Rules, consistency ensures that similar actions and interface elements function in predictable manner, making the system easier to learn and use. Google Docs follows this principle by maintaining a uniform layout across its Google Workspace application. The toolbar, for example, remains similar in Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This consistency enhances user efficiency and reduces cognitive load. The second usability principle is enroll provision. A well-designed interface should help users avoid mistakes and recover from them easily. Google Docs excels in this area with three key features. First, its auto-saving function ensures that no working is lost, even if the user closes the document accidentally. Secondly, the version history feature allows users to revert to previous versions, preventing irreversible errors. Lastly, Google Docs provides a real-time spell check and grammar suggestions, helping users minimize writing mistakes. Now let's discuss accessibility. The first principle is keyboard accessibility, which ensures that all functionalities can be accessed without a mouse. According to WCAG 2.1 guidelines, users with mobility impairments should be able to navigate through an application using only the keyboard. Google Docs supports this with extensive keyboard shortcuts, such as Ctrl+K to insert a link and Alt+Shift+F to open the file menu. Additionally, Google Docs provide a voice typing feature, which allows users to dictate text instead of typing. This makes the platform more inclusive for individuals with motor disabilities. The second accessibility principle is text contrast and readability. This principle ensures that text is easily readable for all users, including those with visual impairments. By default, Google Docs uses black text on a white background, which means standard contrast ratios. However, users can manually change text colors, and some combinations may create low contrast issues, making text hard to read. One major limitation is that dark mode is available on mobile but not on desktop, which could improve readability for users sensitive to bright screens. To summarize, Google Docs performs well in usability and accessibility, but there's always room for improvement. It excels in consistency and enroll prevention, making it easier to use and reliable. It also supports keyboard accessibility, but dark mode on desktop is still missing, which could enhance readability for many users. Overall, Google Docs is a great example of an interactive system designed with usability and accessibility in mind. Usability and accessibility are essential in digital product design. Google Docs demonstrates how a well-thought-out interface can enhance user experience while ensuring inclusivity. However, even popular tools can improve by addressing accessibility gaps. By applying usability and accessibility principles, we can create better experience for all users. Thank you for watching, and I hope this analysis inspires you to consider these principles in your own digital interactions.